Hey guys, okay, I got this working. Um, I'm still in Paradises. I'm still in Cancun. I thought I would be back in the main city by now, but I'm still here. Last day though, going back to New York in a few hours. I just wanted to I give a shout out to a very important person that I met during this trip, and this guy's name is Jacob Rothenberg. Uh, Me and him were roommates. I'm his student. In a way, he's also my mentor, but we're also good friends now. I believe. I hope we're good friends. Maybe we can be more than friends now. And I just wanted to give you a huge, just thank you for everything, man. I started publishing around November last year. For those of you who know me, you would know this by now. If not, now you know. And when I started, I was just doing very bad. First book was bad. I wrote a second book, and I spent so much time on this book too. I just wrote it in 3 weeks, published it, no money at all. Wrote my third book, still no money. And that's when I started seeing Jacob's post on Facebook, and he started posting just very interesting stuff, right? Things about yo-yo books and Ethereum. You probably know about this by now, but I saw a different angle from which you could approach this publishing business through Jacob. I took his advice. There was no course yet, by the way, no course at all. Just his Facebook posts were basically my course. His Facebook book was basically the things that guided me to publish what I was eventually going to publish later on. I eventually hit the 1K mark, then the 2K mark, and now working on the 3K mark right now. And that was the initial success that I needed to basically end up doing everything else that came afterwards. You know, I was living in New Jersey then. I moved back to Peru, lived the good life. Being 23 years old with over $2,000 in Peru is actually very good. But now I'm back in the US and it's very bad, so it's time to make way more cash. And with what I learned here, it's gonna be just very, very easy. If you haven't made it to Cancun already, make sure not to miss out next year, especially if you're really serious about publishing, especially if you're really serious about just having freedom in your life. But above all, if you want to get started, get Jacob's course right now. It's called the Elite Keyword Mastermind. I'm sure you've heard about it. His posts are pretty much viral in the group, and you just need to make sure you're in there. You just make sure to be in there. I think all the best guys in the group are there, and actually, I wanna mention that there are other courses, you know, like the AMS Ads Profit and a lot of other things, but this is specially fitted or especially suited. I think that's how you say it. If you're just beginning and you want that first 1K a month, that's all about just publishing with the right keyword, and that's what you need. If you want to do that, you know, that course is what you need. So guys, that's it for my message. I'm gonna enjoy my last day. I'm probably just gonna throw myself in the pool, have my 100th pina colada of the day or week. I'm not even sure. And just say goodbye to this wonderful place. See ya.